Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. The ball had off to the boundary, see you later, written all over it. Here we go, wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is huge beer. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Oh, that's close. It's a huge appeal. That is a very good shout and they're going to review it.
We're checking for a no ball.
Can't see anything conclusive on Snicker. Can't see
Fair delivery, no problem. Impact outside. Not hitting. You can stay with your decision. You'll be on screen now.
They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is a superb shot of a pretty good ball. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, shot, but only a single. There is a fielder at cover. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Edge and it's gone for 4. No ball called. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Big appeal and up goes the finger. Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review and they decide against it.
Has to walk back to the pavilion. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. Fielding team can now have more than 2 fielders outside the inner circle.
That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Nudges it for a single. Chance of a run out, and that's out. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
That was such a waste of a wicket.
Gone and well caught. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. Can he do it again? Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. There's a fielder at extra cover. Strokes it into the gap for a single. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
That is a very quick single taken.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
They would definitely have a score in their mind. Plays and misses. Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
Deep point in place.
Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Oh, gotta be close and given up.
Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review, and they decide against it.
Last ball of the innings coming up.
The ball had off to the boundary, see you later, written all over it. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up.